Can't speak to that. I'm not a seventh grade teacher. Now, amo, amare, amawe, amatu translates as I love, to love, I love, love, right? Now, I love, that first form. We dropped and stopped that when we did the present tense because I love is in the present tense. Now, I love, present tense. Imperfect is when? What did we say? Imperfect is in the past. So do you think we're going to use this first form? No. That drop and stop is for present tense only. We only drop and stop in present tense only. So we go straight to the chopping. We go to the second form, the infinitive. We chop off the RE. What's left? Ama. That's our stem. Ama. And my personal favorite, ama. Now, the other thing you may notice here too, macron pattern. With the present tense, the macron pattern was long, long, short, wasn't it? Notice that here is long, long, long all the way through. Okay? So drop and stop is present tense only. Long, long, short is present tense only. So you get your stem, and guess what you do next? Add the endings. That's right. So we have the endings. Bum, bus, ba, bum is, but this fun. Bum, bus, ba, bum is, but this fun. I love it how that part of the board sometimes gets all funky. All right. Yes. No, this is a different tense. It's going to be translated differently. Whereas amo can be translated as I love, I do love, I am loving. I'm a bomb. That sounds funny, doesn't it? I would translate it as I was loving, or I used to love, or I kept on loving. Yes, Gus. I'm a boss. Yeah. Carson. Okay, so I'll say, you say back to me. I'm a bomb. I'm a boss. I'm a bot. I'm a bombus. I'm a botus. I'm a bomb. I was loving. You were loving. He, she, or it was loving. We were loving. Y'all were loving. They were loving. And guys, if I want to do a second conjugation verb like the verb to see, I do it the exact same way. So I could do the verb to see, video, videre, weedy, weesu. So again, drop and stop, present tense only. I don't do that. I go straight to the chopping. V-I-D-E, macron. We day, and my personal favorite, we day. Okay, so I'll say, you say it back to me. We day bomb. We day boss. We day bot. We day bombus. We day botus. We day bonds. I was singing. You were singing. He, she, or it was singing. We were singing. Y'all were singing. They were singing. Yes, sir. Yes, I know. Yes, sir. I don't think so. It's okay. We're going to stop there, guys.